What is the alcohol percentage in water?
What? There's no alcohol, bruh.
There's no alcohol in water.
No, there's no alcohol.
you sure?
100%, bruh.
There's no alcohol in
There's
water?
no alcohol in water, bruh.
Okay, calm. Easy. There's a plane flying from Cape Town to Johannesburg, no?
Okay.
It crashes halfway.
Okay.
Where will they bury the survivors?
How many what?
There's a plane flying from Cape Town to Johannesburg, right? It crashes halfway.
Okay.
Where will they bury the survivors?
It would be overland, bruh.
Overland.
Yes.
So you bury the survivors overland.
Bury the survivors overland.
Yeah.
Yo, that's hectic, bruh.
I'm
But-
asking.
Nah, bruh, we won't bury anybody. We save everybody.
Wait, so if a plane is going from Cape Town to Johannesburg, it crashes halfway. Where will the survivors be buried?
You're probably in the ground.
The ground.
Where else must I be buried?
Okay. Next one is now, what's a quarter of an hour?
My bro, why are you asking me such questions?
What's a quarter of an hour?
What is a quarter of an hour? Quarter? It's 15 minutes, man.
15 minutes.
Oh, no.
There we
Okay,
go.
it's 15
She's
minutes,
right.
yeah. Yeah.
And are you on social media? Where can people find you?
Yeah, so my Instagram is Toshka26. You can follow me. I don't have a profile picture, but I'm there, bruh.